Hey everyone! So for today's tutorial, I'm going to be working in my December daily. I thought it'd be fun to just turn on the camera and just have a craft with me type of video so you can watch my process and see what I'm doing and what I'm working on. And so I'm going to get started. I have these pages left for my album, so I'm going to go through, basically it's unbound. I'm going to be using my cinch, but I just have it right now on this ring. And these are the pages that I've completed, and I'll do a quick little flip through at the end so you guys can see what everything looks like. But these are the pages I have left to work with, and I don't think I'll be using all of them, but we shall see. My selfie printer does these squiggly colored lines sometimes, which really bothers me, so I'm gonna try and find a way to like cover up this side of the photo, but there's another squiggly line over here on the boot that is gonna be a little hard for me to cover up. But anyway, so yeah, these are just some photos. This is the 29th, which was yesterday, and I went shopping. And then the 27th, I went for brunch and then some more shopping. So what I'm gonna do now is put on some music, speed up the video. I hope you can craft along with me in your December daily. It's never too late to catch up. All right, let's get started. Okay, so I think I'm gonna stop here. I like what I have so far. These pages are getting super chunky, so I hope they fit in the spine that I have picked out for this. Anyway, so this is the front cover we worked on together. I recreated the idea and concept from a memory decks card I made for a swap. So I really liked how that turned out and I love this image, so I just kind of recreated it for my cover. So I'm just gonna flip through it really quickly, the different pages that I've already made. So that's day 1, this is day 2, and I have to go back and do all of my journaling. This is day 3, also day 3, and day 4 is in here. There's a little snowman tag. Also, I like how I used the guest check, and I went for supper that night, so I really like that. And I took this picture at a restaurant, so I like how that looks. And then this is day 4 in the back, and it was snowing. I really love that picture. And yeah, that's the back. Again, all the journaling will be done at a later time. Day 5, I went to do a bone density scan and then went to work. And then I go on to day 8 where I got some Starbucks, and this is just the wrapper from that night. In here I have some more photos of that night. I went to my friend's house, we watched some Christmas movies, and in the back I have some photos of my grandparents. And then here I have some photos of my mom. We went for brunch together. And then this is documenting me being back on the design team. They announced it today, so I did a little pocket here, envelope here, and this is my bio. I'm going to be doing my journaling behind there as well. I just added a sticker, and I'm going to do some journaling up here. That's why I left that space blank. The back was the 11th, and so I'm not doing it daily, which is fine. And here I'm documenting this beautiful art piece that my friend Jenny Garcia created and she sent to me. It's a Buffy quote, and she hand lettered it, and it's just gorgeous. So I can't wait to frame it, but I wanted to document it on a page, and there's a little sticker of a lady giving a gift. And then this is day 15. And what I did was I received a card that you'll see later. So I just took the envelope of that card, I closed it up, and then I just cut the top of it off. So this is just documenting the 15th. And then what do I have in here? Oh, I also worked on packaging my junk journals for my Patreon. So that day I just spent the whole day prepping and making sure to ship that out as soon as possible. My friend Mary Beth gifted me this for my birthday, so I just did a little face mask, and that tucks back into this envelope. And I just added that snowflake clip here just for decorative elements. And then this is the 16th. I'm just documenting how I decorated my office. I used little thickers and I wrote "Deck the Office." And then I received this big box from Tombow alcohol markers, so that was a great gift. And then the 17th, this is just my brother Christmas tree. And then this is just a decorative element page because I didn't have anything for this page. I could have, in hindsight, used it for journaling, but it's okay. I just did a little decorative element there. This is documenting the Christmas gift exchange we had at work, and this is the gift I made for a colleague who loves Friends, and I had to do a Friends gift. So that's how I planned it, and then that's the table with all our gifts. And then I received this amazing hand cream, which was on my wish list, and so this is the envelope that it came packaged in, and I just added this little reindeer die cut, and inside I have some ledger paper so I can do journaling about that day. And then this is the 19th, just documenting something at work, and these little baby shoes I got for my cousin's baby. And then you saw me working on this one here. This is the day I watched Noel, and I also took the opportunity to make a list of all the different movies I watched this year. I watched a couple of them on repeat, like Santa Claus and How the Grinch Stole Christmas, and I really like Christmas Chronicles from last year, so I watched it again this year. And then I rated them, but I really do love Noel and Klaus from this year's release for movies, and I just decorated it with some Merry Days stickers. This is documenting the return of My Chemical Romance. Oh, so exciting. So I just added a bunch of different stickers here. So beautiful. And I backed it on that vintage music paper. Most of it is covered, but it just works perfectly because it's one of my favorite bands. And then I left this blank so I can do my journaling about it. I just decorated around. And then this is the card that I received from my friend. In the back of it, I also I matted it with some paper, and then I just made a collage of photos, and I'm gonna do my journaling on the top there. This is the 22nd, so just pictures of my cat, Leo, and then Holiday Love, documenting the 23rd. I got a lot of happy mail that day, so it's pretty awesome. And then this is the book page from The Grinch, so I just decorated it. This is the 24th, documenting Grinchmas. I'm gonna do some journaling there, and I also left some space here to do some journaling. And then the 25th, I did a little collage of the different selfies I took with Snapchat. I love to document that every year. You can see my Canon selfie had a printing mistake, but it's okay. That's how I just decorated. I really like this page. It's really cute and simple. And then the 25th, I just glued down an envelope directly onto the page. And then I documented the office, and I used this tag, which I thought was perfect for that. I'm gonna do my journaling behind it, and I have just picked some pictures of my family and stuff in there. So I'm gonna do my journaling in the back of those cards. I like this one too. And then this is just a decorative card that I bought, and I wanted to use in my daily, and I think it's really, really cute. So for that day, this is the 26th, I just drew out some lines with the Tombow drawing markers, and made a giant collage. Like, I liked a lot of these photos and I wanted them bigger, but I'm running out of space, so I just did a collage with pic frame, and I'm gonna document about the 26th. And then also that day I took a bath, and I used this one, and it's just gorgeous. The water was so beautiful, so I'm gonna do journaling about that there as well. And then you guys saw me working on this today. So this is just a decorative element, and I love how big this printable die cut pieces. This is documenting the 27th. I went for brunch with a friend, and then I went shopping with my mom, and I spent so much money but on things that I actually really needed. So I'm gonna be doing some journaling about that here. And then I stamped out "'Tis the Season to Shop," as you saw me doing. And the thing is, this is really cool. I never really did this before. I never kept the tags of items, but I don't know, I thought this was fun. Since I am doing a junk journal style mini album, I thought it'd be fun to hold on to some of the tags from the items that I bought. And I got this new purse from Matt and Nat, and it's actually called Catherine, which is my middle name. So I just cut it off and put it there. I thought that was fun. And I'm gonna do some journaling here, or just completely on the back of this ledger paper. So for this day, I went shopping, and I went to a scrapbook store and a bunch of different stores and florist place. Beautiful rose petals all over the ground, and I just snapped some pictures. It was really fun, so that's what I'm documenting on the 29th. It's getting chunky, but I really like how it looks. So this is my album so far. So yeah, that's my album so far. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this craft with me video. If you have any questions, just ask me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget, we're starting something new this month. I'm gonna have 2 videos for you. So the next video is gonna be coming out probably in a couple of weeks or in the middle of the month. So I hope you guys like this. Let me know if you prefer this way around instead of having the printable. I'm just trying to change things up and see what you guys prefer. So yeah, just give me your feedback, leave your comments down below or in the Patreon post. And yeah, so thanks again, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.